Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage backlink profiles with Ahrefs, full guide step by step clearly. To manage backlink profiles with Ahrefs, start by logging into your Ahrefs account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the Site Explorer tool. Enter the URL of the website you want to analyze in the search bar. Click on the search icon to load the site's data. Once the data loads, click on the Backlinks tab on the sidebar. This will display a comprehensive list of backlinks pointing to your site. Review the list to identify the data columns, including referring domain, URL rating, and traffic. Use the filters to refine the results based on specific criteria, such as nofollow links or referring domains. To analyze the quality of your backlinks, check the domain authority of each referring site. You can click on any referring domain to explore its backlink profile. To assess the relevance of your backlinks, consider the context of the linking page. Identify any toxic backlinks by looking for low-quality sites or suspicious anchor texts. Select the backlinks you wish to disavow using the checkbox feature. Once selected, click on the Export button to download the list for further action. Prepare a disavow file following Google's guidelines if you find harmful links. Then, go to Google Search Console and navigate to the Disavow tool. Upload your disavow file to inform Google to ignore those links. Regularly monitor your backlink profile in Ahrefs to track any changes or new backlinks. Set up alerts for your domain to be notified of new backlinks and lost ones. This will help you maintain a healthy backlink profile over time. Continue refining your strategy based on backlink performance using Ahrefs reports. Use the insights gained to improve your overall SEO efforts effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.